In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a story to your WordPress website quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting with WordPress, incorporating stories into your site can greatly enhance the way you engage with your visitors. So let's jump right in and make your website even more dynamic and interactive. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, you'll notice options to start a new website or log into an existing one. Since we're adding features to an existing site, click on the Login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. To keep things simple and secure, I recommend logging in with Google. This option will not only expedite the process, but also provide an added layer of security through your Google account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you would like to use. You might see several options if you're signed into multiple accounts on your device. Just choose the account linked to your WordPress website to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all the aspects of your website. Look to the right panel for the quick links section and click on Edit Site. This takes you into the editing interface where all the magic happens. Now, it's time to add that story element to your site. You'll find the Add button located at the top left of your screen in the editor interface. This button is your gateway to adding various blocks to your site, which let you easily insert different types of content, from text and images to more intricate media elements like stories. Clicking the Add button opens up a menu of block options. In the search bar, simply type in the word story. This is a feature that allows you to create visually appealing, engaging stories much like those seen on social media platforms. After typing, you'll see that a story block option appears. Click on the story block. This action will insert the story gallery or text block directly into your web page, and from there you can begin creating content immediately. You can customize these stories to fit the theme and feel of your website, allowing you to tell your story in a fresh and engaging way. And that's it, you've successfully added a story to your WordPress site. This interactive element can significantly enrich your website, offering visitors a new way to interact with your content, experiment with various styles and formats to see what best resonates with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!